Everyday Japanese Conversations. Practice Dialogues. Part 1. Greetings and Introductions. Meeting someone for the first time. A. Hajimemashite, watashi wa Tanaka desu. Nice to meet you, I am Tanaka. B. Hajimemashite, Sumisu desu. Nice to meet you, I am Smith. Ohayo gozaimasu, good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu, good morning. A. Konnichiwa, good afternoon. B. Konnichiwa, good afternoon. Konbanwa, good evening. Konbanwa, good evening. Self-introduction. Hajimemashite, watashi wa Yamada desu. Tokyo kara kimashita. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Nice to meet you. I am Yamada. I came from Tokyo. Please be kind to me. B. Hajimemashite, Johnson desu. アメリカから来ました。よろしくお願いします。Nice to meet you. I am Johnson. I came from America. Please be kind to me. 皆さん、thank you everyone for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next video. またね